More than 5 years. I found Dr. Marcantel. Actually, I was doing a little bit of research, and because I was having some symptoms, and I thought, this is not normal. This is not me. I have a very stressful job, but that doesn't mean that some of the symptoms I was having was normal. So I looked up Dr. Marcantel. I came to see her, and since then I'm a fan of hers. And I've recommended her to everybody that I speak to. The differences in my health from where I was to where I am now was a huge difference. It was like an eye-opener for me. I had a lot of fatigue, and then anxiety, I would say, which was not normal for me because I've never felt that way. When I went to my primary doctor, she wanted to prescribe me antidepressants. And she's like, no, you're just going through a change or something. And it just seemed like she wasn't listening to me. And it reached a point where I was so frustrated. And then when I came to Dr. Marcantel, and the undivided attention I got from her, and the way she listened to me, and it was just amazing. I would say, honestly, within a week, I could see a difference in myself, because I know I'm not a person who has depression issues or anything. So for someone to recommend and put me on that was just devastating. And Dr. Marcantel right away told me she's like, no, I have other recommendations for you, and it worked amazingly. It was like day and night. Initially, I think we started off with the saliva test and the blood test, and after that, some of the dosages that she, for example, progesterone and DHEA that she recommended, we started on a lower dose, and then she would work with me to up that or lower it as my body was adjusting to things. But honestly, the mental fogginess and everything that just kind of disappeared was just amazing. The undivided attention and her attention to detail, like I can tell her things and she'll remember for several visits. And then her personal touch. I think she takes a very keen personal interest in each of her patients. And it's almost like, it doesn't feel like you're coming to see a doctor, it feels like you're coming to see a friend. And it's so easy to open up to her and tell her whatever your, issues are.